Alright.
One drop right in the touch the
Alright, see the newest thing I will tell you Sand Bash about. Who battery you use? You have run in my big battery here? Alright, see there, the one trying to chop me tell us so when he come here, it was garbage heap. See, so if I put some on $2 in it, I done it done. See there, check out the finish. Check out the finish. Check it out now. Yeah, man. So more while them come out for Leyland and come on this and put this a road because this one man and more needed. Alright, it's not a big body. How many do have the panel one already? With a weight chair engine. This have a big subframe where scissors jack business. See, but I know say tell us no truck man can mash up them back in here. You have to see that for reduction. Yeah. Look on the drive shaft. I want to see the driver who bust at the drive shaft there. In the barn yet. So when you see when on a Leyland we work man and them a truck here. That the truck there. It's twin with the twin stack. Alright. Alright, that's a first. We come see that style there. Sandbar, just show them a style because they more pirate it, you know. They more pirate that style here, you know. You are gonna hear them saying we honor you first do this. I saw them a truck man say, you know. Alright, we are showing us still. Check out the well. And a stainless steel this. Twin. See, I make them man. I don't know. Go buy them, I don't know. The truck place. We just get the pipe them and cut them and bend them and shape them and join them up. Monster. So who know that truck I know it? Because I know that truck on the road I'll play down a long time. So you have to press him up. And this is supposed to be a cat. The cat, alright. What kind of cat this? Alright, sit there. So it's a C15. So you know, it's a normal sitting. So, we don't Chris up. Sandbar, shall I preach up this? Yeah? Shall I preach up this?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Not yet. You know, it's on one to the yard dog.
Oh, okay. You're not ready to put you up here. Go on, go put on the black number here. You don't put on the black?
Two pallet, no?
Yeah.
Oh, you must say.
Alright. 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 Strap is go and strap the black number. Yeah man, so you should say this a big back end, big shaft. Yo, tell about when him New World. New Way suspension. Bad in this. Them I say you can draw a low boy with 80-ton excavator and bulldozer. Big spec. Alright. What?
Some of them have
wet line of them. Wet line of them there, bro.
Wet line, what is that?
Wet line was something where you send up the picture. Alright, I remember any time when I want a flatbed, you know. Right, that's how I come. Call the bar, see there? Any more that flatbed you don't want. I'm after anything from China. MRM. Where you carry on? Oh, somebody robot them. Get somebody my truck money. So this about say I'm gonna bring them somebody robot them and see. But I try now, we are talk to the man, anything you want to do with them, you can do with them. Just bring them down, them they will sell sandbars. Yeah, man. You know, truck man lonely at night time. That them one a journey. Alright. So they are truck yard. Oh, yeah, work on truck. Yes, a cat. We know so now wait long time I know now wait start. I don't want to see drop a road. But watch out now. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready, I know. See inside that if go up and bolt up and line up and drop back the body and it's ready. Brap channel. When you see them two battery are ground, you see gas oil bucket there so you know so it start. See where your low mass set up there? Right? It plug up, it start. See? Just this left sitting here left you know for the intake system sitting there so. That left from our start but it start, chocolate alright, and it now vibrate down. The truck now vibrate down, it will nice. So yeah, the cat landing in there, start up. Just want to look a finishing touch, but watch I know. Them always have to left half fight and go to other work. And so come, because I just have to bad them up a while ago. I said, Bridging, you know the truck man them bad me every day when they see me on the road say, one P truck. The truck now come on the road. See? So basically it done. But just want to look a small finishing touch. Water in the radiator already. See? Water in there already. See land there? So if you look and see, I just want a small thing. A big sitting. Big sitting. You see clutch system here? Look, see it? And an ear clutch. See it? So it's from the see them wire connect up, you know, say the computer man come round here. Run him look where them join up that touch up that. See computer there so. You see computer. You are right. So at any time now, just put on by the tank and send it a road. You done man. I just show you don't know say other work there, other work I come from, more truck I come in. I so come. This is a land I so now, because you do the engine heavy when you put on the load. I will put on another axle. So I steer axle as well as show. You don't so see it. Yeah, just give it. Yo, catch me. Give you a month. I'm done target sandbars already, you know. 1 month from now. I don't know about the seat I road I drive up and down. See there? Yeah, man. This I go back on it. This I advise that for go under the bumper. Listen. 1 more month. Yeah, truck man. I know now a long time I don't wait. I don't quarrel. I don't fuss. I don't want to see. Oh, body tag a be. And me I tell you no, don't test it. When you see it I go down the road, don't run up. When you down the night, you don't want to hear it start. You want to hear it start. You don't want to hear it start. No. Well, I'm going to introduce it first. This is the Leyland with the Caterpillar engine in there. See it there? I hate we are talking about. And I'm telling you, say ready, you know, see drive shaft, connect up and everything ready, you know. Gearbox, lock up and everything. Alright, sandbag. On the hear that? Any questions? Eh? So I know why you start. Lick it over again for him start. Lick it over one more time. Lick it over, yeah. Alright. Start it. Yeah, man. This are the C12 cat will convert in a Leyland freighter chassis. See? Don't worry yourself, man. It's still a tune. A tune it a tune. So computer man come already? So we basically ready. See battery them there. Everything ready I know. So drop down the body. Drop back this, can you cut back that? He ready again and gone and ready for load. So when a testing time, we have to drive the truck up and down. Alright, so watch I know. See like how we convert the engineer? When it's ready now, we have to drive it up and down till we see temperature gauge and come up and everything nice. So all of them videos they will go now. See, so just remember the page. See, one sandbox. What left with the sandbox? That's wire up. And you see I put in AC.
And DC.
Alright. So we have a driver already. We don't want to send no more application. The driver there already. Because remember I say well for money spent. So the truck gone. I'm a big man who will drive it. And you have to know about big spec. So only can stop sending application now. Alright, see there. I want load pan truck.